Buckle up everyone, because today we're discussing the top 5 Bluetooth car kits. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Introducing the JOYROOM Bluetooth 5.3 AUX adapter, a versatile and innovative music receiver designed for a seamless audio experience. With its advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, this adapter ensures a faster, more stable, and clearer sound quality connection compared to older versions. The upgraded CVC 8.0 noise cancellation and enhanced microphone guarantee crystal clear calls and music playback. What sets this adapter apart is its LED digital display, providing real-time updates on volume levels and battery status for uninterrupted music enjoyment. Enjoy an impressive 22-hour battery life and quick 2-hour charging time with the included Type-C fast charging cable. Stay connected and entertained on the go with the JOYROOM Bluetooth 5.3 AUX adapter. Ben from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Works great, great price, would buy again." Elevate your driving experience with the Lensent T25 Bluetooth FM transmitter. This upgraded 2022 model offers crystal clear music streaming, thanks to its anti-static design and CVC technology for noise and wind suppression. Play your favorite tunes via Bluetooth, USB flash drive, or microSD card, supporting various music formats like WMA, MP3, WAV, APE, and FLAC. With intelligent dual USB ports for simultaneous device charging and built-in safety features, you can enjoy worry-free driving. Stay connected with hands-free calling and voice navigation, all while monitoring your car's battery voltage with the Blue Ambient Light feature. Make your ride safer and more enjoyable with the Lensent T25 Bluetooth FM transmitter. Ron from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Works great, easy to use, good price." Elevate your driving experience with the SyncWire Rainbow Drive, a Bluetooth FM transmitter that combines style and functionality. With its trendy rainbow light design, you can create a captivating ambience in your car and easily toggle the lights on or off with the red B button. The latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures a fast, stable, and smart connection with minimal sound quality loss and uninterrupted calls and music playback. Thanks to its dual USB ports, PD36W and USB A12W, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously with safety protections in place. Enjoy crystal clear hands-free calling with noise suppression technology and immerse yourself in powerful deep bass and immersive stereo sound at the press of a button. The SyncWire Rainbow Drive is your all-in-one solution for a seamless and enjoyable driving experience. Introducing the Ugreen 5.3 AUX Bluetooth adapter, a reliable solution for seamless connection in your car or at home. With the latest Bluetooth 5.3 chip, this adapter ensures fast transmission speed, clear calls, and superior sound quality. Drive safely with hands-free calling and crystal clear audio, thanks to the built-in microphone and easy-to-use controls. Enjoy up to 15 hours of battery life on a single charge, and connect 2 devices simultaneously for added convenience. Simply plug this adapter into your car or home audio system and stay connected on the go. Please note that this adapter is designed for car use and does not pair with Bluetooth headphones or speakers. Stay connected effortlessly with the Ugreen 5.3 AUX Bluetooth adapter. Audria from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Plugged into AUX port of my Beetle system. Sound quality is excellent and it reconnects to my cell phone when it is powered up. It is hands-free." Looking to upgrade your car audio experience without breaking the bank? The Ugreen Bluetooth car adapter is the perfect solution. With its easy plug-and-play setup, you can instantly add Bluetooth connectivity to your car speakers, allowing you to stream music and make hands-free calls effortlessly. The high-fidelity stereo sound delivered by the latest Bluetooth version 5.3 chipset ensures a stable connection and clear audio quality. Not to mention, the built-in microphone enables hands-free calling, keeping you safe on the road. Plus, with its ability to remember up to 5 devices and pair 2 at the same time, sharing music with passengers has never been easier. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to seamless Bluetooth connectivity with the Ugreen Bluetooth car adapter. Chelsea from England gave this product 5 stars and said, "Bought this to add Bluetooth to my old car. It works exactly as described, is nice and loud and connects the first time every time. Highly recommend." There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.